Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very important for every AC user and technician: inverter AC error codes. Many people get confused when they see codes like E1, E6, or F1 on their AC display. But don't worry. In this video, I will explain these error codes in a very simple and easy way. First of all, what are inverter AC error codes? Error codes are warning signals. Your air conditioner shows these codes to tell you that something is wrong inside the system. Instead of stopping suddenly, the AC gives you a code so you can understand the problem quickly. In simple words, error codes are like messages from your AC. Now let's understand how inverter AC systems are different. Inverter ACs use a PCB board and sensors to control temperature, compressor speed, and overall performance. Because of this smart system, inverter ACs can detect problems very easily and show error codes on the display. This is why inverter ACs are more advanced compared to normal ACs. Now let's talk about some common error codes and their meanings. One of the most common error codes is E1. In many AC brands, E1 usually means a problem with the temperature sensor or indoor unit sensor. If the sensor is faulty, the AC cannot read the room temperature properly. Another common code is E6. This usually means a communication error between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. This can happen due to wiring issues, loose connections, or PCB problems. You may also see F1 or F3 codes. These often relate to sensor failure, especially the evaporator or outdoor sensor. When sensors stop working, the AC cannot control cooling correctly. Sometimes, you may see codes related to low gas or pressure problems. This means the refrigerant level is low, or there is a leakage in the system. In this case, cooling becomes weak, and the AC may stop working to protect itself. Now here is an important point many people don't know. The same error code can have different meanings in different brands. For example, E1 in one brand may mean a sensor issue, but in another brand it could be a different problem. So always check the user manual or brand guide before making a final decision. Now let's talk about what you should do when you see an error code. First, do not panic. Some errors are temporary. Try these simple steps. Turn off the AC and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then restart the system. Sometimes the error will disappear automatically. Next, check simple things like loose wiring, dirty filters, blocked airflow. These small issues can also trigger error codes. However, if the error code keeps coming back, then it is better to call a professional technician. Do not try to open the PCB or handle electrical parts if you are not trained, because it can be dangerous. Now let's talk about the hidden secret behind error codes. Error codes actually help you save money. Instead of guessing the problem, you can quickly identify the fault and fix it before it becomes a major issue. This reduces repair cost and protects your AC from damage. Conclusion. So in simple words, inverter AC error codes are not a problem. They are a helpful warning system. They tell you what is wrong and help you take action early. If you understand these codes, you can save time, money, and avoid serious damage to your AC.